Hello, we present to you a review of Audifort. Let's begin with what this actually is. Audifort is a liquid hearing support supplement designed to nurture your auditory system using natural, plant-based ingredients. Instead of covering up the ringing or amplifying sound through a device, it aims to restore the connection between your ears and your brain, which is often the root of issues like tinnitus and declining clarity. What makes it different? Audifort uses over 20 natural ingredients that work together, not in isolation, to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and feed your auditory nerves with the nutrients they need to work properly. The formula includes maca root for energy and cellular repair, grapeseed for antioxidant protection, green tea to enhance blood flow, capsicum annuum to calm inflammation, GABA to ease the nervous system, and Gymnema sylvester to support long-term hearing clarity. The idea is simple: heal, restore, and protect. So, how do you use it? You take one small drop in the morning and another in the afternoon, either under the tongue or mixed in a drink. Once inside the body, the formula starts improving circulation in the tiny blood vessels around your ears, reduces neural inflammation, and slowly reestablishes healthy communication between the brain and the auditory system. Over time, that may reduce the buzzing and help you focus more clearly on conversations and everyday sounds. From a safety standpoint, Audifort is non-GMO, stimulant-free, and made in an FDA and GMP-approved facility in the U.S. There are no harsh chemicals. Here's the pricing according to the official website. Discount link is in the description. 2 bottle, 60-day supply, $79 per bottle. 3 bottle, 90-day supply, $59 per bottle, plus 2 free bonuses. 6 bottle, 180-day supply, $49 per bottle, plus 2 free bonuses, plus free U.S. shipping. Everything comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so if it doesn't deliver, you can simply request a full refund. Who is it best suited for? Adults in their 30s to 70s who want to support their hearing naturally and proactively, especially if they're dealing with mild ringing, background noise sensitivity, or focus issues. Personally, I think Audifort offers a very calm and intentional approach. Instead of forcing sound, it strengthens your body's ability to process sound on its own. If that sounds like something that aligns with your wellness goals, check the official website plus discount link in the description.